We're veering into me answering the question rather than collecting, but I will answer. So scripting standard is moving forward. We're helping move it forward, as well as a bunch of other companies, Mozilla and some others at ECMA, which is standards body. And ActionScript is an implementation of that standard, as you know, and as is JavaScript. And ECMAScript Edition 4 is in the process of being nailed down right now, and we've implemented the current version of that spec in Flash Player and in Xamarin. So we're hopeful about that standard getting through, but it takes a long time, of course, to go through that process, and then changes get introduced, and we'll keep tracking those changes and work to stay compliant with the standard. I think it's a great step forward for the web to have that standard move forward, because it enables people to build more ambitious applications for the web, and introduces some things which are pretty straightforward, like the ability to declare a type of a variable, like this is an int. And what that does from a programmer productivity point of view is you can make it, avoid bugs much more easily, because you put your intent in the program as you're developing it, and it enables the compiler to help you out, the authoring tool to help you out more. The more you put your intent in there, the more the tools can help you. And so you'll build more stable, reliable applications because if the language proceeds forward. And then it also helps in terms of performance, because as we move the standard forward, there's some things in there that help us optimize performance. So again, variable typing, if we know what it is, we can make the virtual machine interpret the information faster. Whereas if it's not declared, you have to kind of guess at runtime what it is and how to optimize. So I think the new standard for the language is very powerful. I think some find that threatening in terms of the capabilities you can now build on the web, but I think that's great for the web. So our intent is to keep working on it. And then the Xamarin project you mentioned is an implementation of that. That's open source. If you want to see what we're doing on it, you can go look at the project at Mozilla. And our engineers are working on it there, and you can see we're working on basically the mobile implementation of it right now, which is designed to operate much lower memory profiles than what we have on PCs. So where some apps in the browser today might be using 40 megs of RAM to run, like Ajax applications or apps built in Flex, on mobile that is not acceptable for many devices. So how do you make those run in much smaller footprint? And that's also about the language standard and optimization. So
I work at this